Hello student, good morning. Are you ready? I am going to explain Pythagoras theorem. What do you mean by the Pythagoras theorem? It is statement in a right angle triangle the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares on the remaining two sides. Keep in mind, as a triangle ABC given triangle here, we require to prove here AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, because in triangle ABC we is right angle triangle and AC is hypotenuse. Triangle ABC in which ABC is 90 degree. To prove AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, construction, draw perpendicular BD on AC. Statement and reason proof. Come on, the proof here. In triangle ABC and ADC, angle ABC equal angle BDC each of 90. Angle ABC equal angle BDC each of 90 degree. And second, BCA equal to BCD, that is common. Therefore, triangle ABC and BDC are similar triangle BDC by angle postulate. Therefore, BC upon DC equal AC upon BC. Why? Because the corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. So that from this BC into BC, cross multiplication, BC square equal to AC into DC. This is equation 1. Now come on, triangle ABC and ADB and triangle ADB. And angle ABC equal angle ADB each of 90. Angle BAC equal angle BAD, that is common. Triangle ABC and similar triangle to ADC by angle postulate. Therefore, again common, corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. So that here AB by AD equal to AC by AB. Again AB by AD equal to AC by AB. Therefore, cross multiplication, AB square equal to AC into AD. On adding equation 1 and 2, we get AB square. Left hand sides sums AB square plus BC square equal to right hand side sums AC into AD plus AC into DC. Taking common AC, AD plus DC means AB square plus BC square equal to AC, AD plus DC. AB square plus BC square equal to AC into AC means AB square plus BC square equal to AC square, hence proved. This is the Pythagoras theorem. Now, come on the exercise question 13th A. Now come on, exercise question 13th A, application of the Pythagoras theorem. 13th A, page number according my book, that is given this 158 and 159. Now come on, question you can do. First one, a ladder 30-meter long rests against a vertical wall. Its flow foot of ladder, if the foot of ladder is 5 meters from the foot of wall, find the distance of other end from the ladder from the ground. Means this is wall, you can consider this is a wall, bricks wall, this wall, and this is a ladder. This rest on this wall. This is a, you can say, A, B, and this is C. This is a ladder AC. Ladder AC equal to given 13 meter, and this BC given 5 meter. We require to calculate AB using Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square AC equal to AB square plus BC square. From this, AB square equal to AC square minus BC square, or AB equal to taking only positive sign of square root, AC square minus BC square. AB equal to root 13 square minus 5 square. AB equal to 13 plus 5, you may be right, and 13 minus 5. AB equal to, you may write here, 18 into 8. AB equal to 144. AB equal to 12 meter. Means here answer this 12 meter. Here find distance of the other end of ladder from the ground. Now here come on the question. Question 7. What is given? Question 7. In triangle ABC, this is the solution of question number 1. Now your question number 7 come. Here given in triangle ABC, AB equal to AC, yes, BC equal to 10 centimeter. Means here given triangle ABC, triangle ABC, AB equal AC. This is A, B, C. This is a AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC given, that is X. Each of X. Draw the perpendicular on BC, that is a ADD. Now here another thing is given here. BC 10 centimeter. BC 10 centimeter, and area of triangle also given here. Area of triangle ABC given 60 centimeter square. From this, if From this here, you calculate the find the area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2 base into height. This means here this is 60. 1 by 2 base BC into AD. Now here 60 equal to 1 by 2 into 10 into AD. AD equal to 12 centimeter. Now here this will be BD become 5 centimeter. AB square equal to, using Pythagoras theorem, AD square plus BD square. AB square equal to AD 12 square plus 5 square. AB square equal to 144 plus 25. AB square equal to 169. Therefore, AB equal to square root 169, positive sign taking only 13 centimeter. Means value of x equal to 13 centimeter. This is the 7th question. Now come on, write down please this question, solution of question 7. Now come on the question, this 4th question. Question 4th is given here. In a given figure, shows a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D like this quadrilateral here. A, B. A, B, C, D as shown in figure here. A, B, C, D. Here given AD equal to 13 centimeter given. AD equal to 13 centimeter. And AB is given here. No AB. DC. DC is given here 12 centimeter. This is 12 centimeter in figure. BC is given 3 centimeter. And angle ABD equal to angle BCD, each of are given here 90 degree. Now if you calculate, we have calculate here length AB. Therefore, now in right angle triangle, BCD, BD square equal to BC square plus CD square. BD square equal to 12 square plus 3 square. BD square equal to 144 plus 9. BD square equal to, that is 153. Or BD square, BD equal to positive sign square root 153 centimeter. Now come on, in right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle ABD, using Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to AD square, hypotenuse AD square minus BD square AB is equal to root positive taking AD square minus B D square. AB equal to AD. AD is given 13 square minus root 153 whole square. AB equal to 169 minus 153. AB equal to, this is 16. AB equal to 4 centimeter. This is the answer of the question 4. Please do all the questions similar. That simply based on the Pythagoras theorem. If you have problem, you require to ask in the live classes. Now, please all of you complete rest of the question of the 13th A.